All right, so I'm going to say some of it rather than write it all down just to make it a bit quicker. So of course we let P of n represent the proposition to start with, and then you can see that the smallest n here is 3. So, you're going to start with, for P of 3, you can say something like the polygon is a triangle, right, if it's got three sides. So with angle sum, so the angle sum in this case has to be 3 minus 2 lots of straight lines, so straight angles, which is 180 degrees. Therefore, clearly, it's true for P of 3. All right, so proposition 3 is true. All right, and then we've got to do our assumption. So if our P of k is true, for some arbitrary k, k is greater or equal to 3 this time from here, then we can say a k-gon has angle sum of, it must be k minus 2, using this again, k minus 2 lots of 180. All right, so that's the assumption we're going to use. We're required to prove P of k plus 1. All right, and what's that? That is that a k plus 1 gon has angle sum k plus 1 minus 2, so k minus 1 lots of 180. All right, so what we can do is start with, so, and you just talk this through. Start with a k-gon, and add another side. So you've got a k plus 1 gon. So, for example, we don't really know how this is going to look because it goes on and on and on, but this is the bit I'm looking at the moment. So say I had something like that, and this could be what we call A1, so this is A2, and then haven't got the rest there, and the last one, if I go around, would be AK. So a k-gon, k sides has k vertices, and what we can do is, so we could get rid of this and put another, so this does that kind of make it look like it's, there we go, I'll put that there, and that can be AK plus 1. So we get rid of that side and put these two sides on. So we've really added one side there. So you can see then that the angle sum of the k plus 1 gon is equal to the angle sum, I'm using shorthand, please don't do it when you do it, angle sum of the k-gon plus this extra triangle here, this little green part. So plus triangle A1, AK plus 1. And we know that the angle sum of a k-gon, we already know that's k minus 2 lots of 180s. And we know the angle sum of a triangle is 180. And this is using our P of k. So when we put all that together, we've got k minus 2 plus 1 lots of 180s, which of course is k minus 1 lots of 180s, which is what we were after. So therefore our P of k implies our P of k plus 1, and our P of n is true for all integral n is greater or equal to 3.